In this video, you will learn how to sell memberships with WooCommerce and groups for WordPress. You will see how we create 3 different example products that involve memberships. A product for an unlimited membership, another for a membership that lasts a specified amount of time, and a third product which is a subscription to a monthly gift box and membership while the subscription is maintained. First, we create a couple of groups which we will use with our new products. We go to Groups and create our first one named Premium. We can use it to limit access to certain parts of our site to members and to sell memberships to the group. This group will be used with our first 2 products. Customers who purchase them will become members of the Premium group. We create another group called Mystery. We will use this for members of our gift box subscription. Alright, now we can create our new product which grants unlimited membership to its customers. We call it Unlimited Premium Membership and add a simple description. We make this a virtual product as no physical goods are involved. For this unlimited membership, we set a price of $299. Let's also choose a product image like the one we have already prepared for this example. Up to this point, we have done part of the usual job of creating a product, but we want our customers to be automatically added to the Premium group when they purchase this product. For that, we go to the Group's Product Data section. In the field that adds to groups, we choose the Premium group. As this example is for an unlimited membership, we do not set a duration. Now let's publish the product and look at its product page. This was really quick and easy. Our second product will grant Premium membership for a limited time. This product will grant membership for a year. We don't mention the duration in the title, as it is shown automatically. We set a brief description, choose a product image, and also make this a virtual product, as there is no delivery of physical products involved. Here we use a price of $99, which customers will pay to be a Premium member for a year. For this, we use the Group's Product Data section. In the field that adds to groups, we choose the Premium group, and we set the duration to 12 months. Now we can publish our product and see how the product page looks like. Very nice. When a customer buys this product, the account becomes a member of the Premium group for 12 months. Our third product is a monthly gift box subscription, named Mystery Gift Box. Once again, we use a meaningful description, set a price, and choose to which groups the customer will belong for the duration of the subscription. Customers who subscribe to the product will be members of the Mystery group while their subscription is active. Here is the product page for our new subscription. In just a few minutes, we have created several products that we can use to sell memberships. Fantastic! These are our membership products in the shop. The WordPress plugins required to follow our examples are WooCommerce, the free Groups plugin, and the Groups integration for WooCommerce. If you would like to use subscriptions, you would also want to add WooCommerce subscriptions. Groups is an essential plugin that helps to organize users on your website. It also helps you to control who can access certain content based on memberships. The Groups integration for WooCommerce is a premium extension which grants memberships based on products. It handles memberships for customers based on the products they purchase. The integration also supports WooCommerce subscriptions. As we have seen, it is quick and very easy to start selling memberships with WooCommerce and Groups. Thanks for watching and have fun selling.